Wearing the WS101 on a badge clip and answering a call. To attach your device to a badge clip, we recommend you first remove the clothing clip from the back of the device. To remove the clip, lift on either one of the clip release tabs marked with a triangle on either side of the device and slide it up off the device. Once the clothing clip is removed, connect the badge clip to the badge clip towel bar. A badge clip is not provided with the device. Once the clip is attached and you're wearing the device, make sure the device is facing upright with the microphone facing away from your body and the speaker facing your head. When you receive an incoming call, the LED ring light blinks green. To answer the call, press the multifunction or pairing button. Once the call is complete, press the MFB or pairing button twice to end the call.
Thank you.